Sardines on a horseradish toast. Sadly, they're underrated, but they're healthy and delicious, and I absolutely love them. First off, start prepping the sardines.
Score.
Really important to score the sardines, so the marinade goes right inside.
Harissa marinade. Coriander seeds. Cumin seeds.
Lightly toast the spices, and as it starts to smoke, take them out and grind them.
Salt. Garlic. Harissa paste. Rub. Hot griddle pan. Olive oil. Lemon juice. Horseradish cream. Horseradish. Creme fraiche. Season. Parsley. Lemon zest. Toast. Harissa sardines on horseradish toast. Done.